Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Dr. Hairul. My name is Siti Hanisa and I am a representative from Group 4. From our group, Water Supply Design Report for New Mini Water Treatment Plant. Okay, we go to our introduction. First, the proposed location in Beta, Kelantan, and the population of Beta was 11,205. Beta, Kelantan also, the users have been defined by paddy fields, and the additional water required for in-plant use typically 5% of the treatment plant's output, 10% for water washing band screens, sand injection, clarifier cleaning, and so on. Also, a 50% safety factor for indeterminate factors are also required to be considered in our mini treatment plant design. Okay, for the Q average, our estimation have been calculated is 0.076 meter cube per second. Next, this is water quality 2030 and we will refer the minimum and the maximum value of each parameter. This one is water quantity 2020. For the minimum, the least one is 57 on September and the maximum value is on February 1182. Okay, we go to water intake dry tower. For the maximum flow, we get 0.076 meter cube per second and the velocity is 0.08 meter per second. And the height, we take 24 meter and the width is 10 meter. And also the base slab, 15 meter times 15 meter times 2.5 meter thick. And intake gate, square gate with 1 meter length. Upper gate centerline elevation at 14.5 meter. Lower gate at centerline elevation at 11 meter. This is the summary of the location and the centerline elevation, and this is the drawing for the water intake. And the coarse screen, the detail we can refer in the slide, and also the fine screen, and this is the dimension for the coarse screen and also fine screen. So the fine screen width is 1.5 meter and the width of coarse screen is 1.8 meter. Okay, we proceed to coagulation and flocculation. Okay, this table refers to the types of mixer and their use according to MWA Design Guideline for Water Supply System in the table 8.2. So in this project, the 4 million liter per day capacity was required to design. Then the recommendation according to the table of MWA Design Guideline, it recommend to use the mixing flume because the capacity of plant value is less than 25 million liter per day. However, due to some factors of limited area to design the mini water treatment to the specific location, the flash mixer was being proposed. Okay, this is the description and also the dimension of the part coagulation and also flocculation. Okay, this is the details of coagulation tanks, which is the diameter of the coagulation tanks is 1 meter and the width is 1 meter, the height is 3 meter. For the flocculation tank, this is the plan and side view of the flocculation tanks. For the width and length is the same, 2 meter, and the height of the tank is 4 meter. Okay, we go for clarification and filtration tank. This is the summary of each unit of the clarification and also filtration that shows the detailed dimension of the unit and also notes. Okay, for figure 1, it shows the side view of the clarification tank that shows the diameter is 10 meter. And this is the figure 2 that shows the filtration tank, its length is 2 meter and the width is 2.5 meter. Then we go for the disinfection design. The water demand is 6,600 meter cube per day consumed with the chlorine, and the length is 13.6 meter, width is 6.8 meter, and the depth is 1.5 meter. It shows the disinfection tank is directly connected with the inactivation of harmful microorganisms found in the water. And this disinfection tank design is economical, dependable, and also relatively safe to use. Then we go for the detailed disinfection tank. Okay, this figure shows the plan of the disinfection that consists of baffles. Okay, with the flow average is 275 meter cube per hour, with the tank length of 13.6 meter. The width is 6.8 meter. And also the section of the disinfection tank consists of freeboard which is equal to 0.5 meter. And the length of the tank is 13.6 meter with the depth of 1.5 meter. Next, this is water distribution system. This is the detail of the population projection. And the population equivalent for the storage tank is equal to 21,116. So the average design flow rate is 225 liter per capita per day. And then we assume for the peak factor is equal to 1.8. Okay, so this is the result of the dimension of storage tank that we will refer to the volume, velocity of water of the storage tank, and also the velocity of water in the proposed pipe. So for the volume, it fulfills the requirement because the value is more than the required volume of storage tank. Then for the velocity of water, the value is less than the requirement, so it is okay. And also the velocity of water in the proposed pipe is less than the requirement of the velocity, so it is okay too. So for the water pump, it's obtained 1 kilowatt for the power required for reclaiming the water pump 9. Hence, 2 pumps were designed. One is for the emergency. That's all from us. Thank you.